Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 18 update with Anita. So how's it going so far?
This week was actually pretty good. Even though I enjoyed my weekend with friends and eating.
So so it wasn't like the best week when it comes for like eating healthy or following your recommendations.
Well, somewhat. Like the nice thing is I ate very healthy the rest of the time, so
Yes.
I felt like I had that, play within my
That's good.
diet.
So far, how much total weight did you lose today?
Altogether,
Yeah.
32 pounds.
32 in 18 weeks. Would you consider that as an accomplishment?
Oh yes, absolutely, because I don't feel like it's something that I'm going to gain back anytime soon. In fact, I've got my own goals
That's
for down the
Yeah, I
road.
noticed for the last at least 5 or 6 weeks, like you're not gaining any weight, right? And you are not losing as well because like we decided to take a different approach and just give the bodies a chance to get adjusted to that
Right,
new weight,
right.
But do you think like when you finish this program sometime in the future, if you would like to set up your own goal, do you think you can do it by yourself?
Oh, absolutely. It's already there. It's already there. The education that we received and the goals that we have every week, it's implanted. And so when I look at food now, I look at it from a different approach altogether than I did before.
That's correct. That's correct. So that's very, very good news. So thank you so much, and I look forward to talking with you next week. Thank you.
Great.